the Valois monarchy was very strongly Catholic. Many townspeople that may have been Huguenot, they were willing to help those nobles to oust the Catholic king if they needed to. They wanted to be a base of opposition for the Huguenot nobles to be able to take over and allow basically a freedom of religion. Because if you'll remember, there's not any freedom of religion at this point. I mean, the only semblance of freedom of religion that we've kind of seen is whenever Charles V granted the Holy Roman Empire the ability to decide if the noble was going to be Lutheran, then the people could be Lutheran as well, or they had to be Lutheran. The noble would decide what they were going to be. But in France, that's not the case. In France, you're Catholic. That's how it is. You're Catholic, at this point at least. And so while these townspeople, they didn't really want to be Catholic. They wanted to be Huguenot. So that's going to obviously cause some problems. The Civil War raged on for 30 years until 1589, whenever Henry of Navarre, the leader of the Huguenots, that's, by the way, this guy right here. This is Henry of Navarre. He's got a pretty rocking beard. But the Huguenots succeeded to the throne, and he succeeded to the throne as Henry IV of France. So, more foreshadowing, this looks like it may be a little bit of an issue because why? It's a good question right here. The answer to that is he doesn't believe the same way as the majority of his population does. So this could end really badly, and it could actually tear France apart even more so than it already was at this point.